If you don't start practicing celebrating your wins now, acknowledging your wins now, you're not going to do it after you get the show on Netflix or whatever. You're not going to do it after you get on the bestsellers list. Practice belonging right now. Practice accepting that it's okay to make mistakes, that it's okay to be imperfect, that it's okay to be new, that it's okay to be different from everybody else on your team or, in your industry or whatever's going on. Practice belonging now. Practice feeling okay with where you are right now, because it's not going to come when you do the thing. I promise you. It's just going to imposter syndrome, I'm telling you, is this insane. It's insanity. It's bananas. How can you practice accepting where you are? How can you practice acceptance? How can you practice being imperfect and letting that be okay? How can you practice belonging now before and without anything having to validate that you belong? Because validation never comes from the outside. It only ever comes from the inside. How can you practice validating yourself right now so that you can truly acknowledge and celebrate your wins when they happen and step into whatever success you get without anxiety, without overthinking? Because imagine what it looks like when you belong. Imagine what it looks like. How present and in the moment are you when you belong? Incredibly. How creative can you be when you feel a deep sense of belonging? How at ease and at peace and, you know, present and in the moment and creative and contributory and energized are you when you have a deep sense of belonging, when you have a deep sense that you are always arriving, that you never really arrive, so you have to celebrate the wins right now.